Monarch's a solution-based company that deals in unique glass structures. We focus on movable glass, large unique glass architecture, and this is going to be a spectacular project overlooking the hills of Caledon. So we're lifting a 21.5-foot piece of glass that's about 8.5 feet in height, and we're putting it 2 stories into the great room in the building. We'll put in movable glass walls with large 8-foot sections that will rotate through so that they can walk out of their main floor out to their water. The glass is about a metric ton and a half, so to crane it up over top of the roof and get it 2 stories up was a bit of a unique operation. So we had lots of guys, we have great crane operators, so it all worked out, but it's not easy.